everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a great day. So today I am super excited for so many reasons. One being that I received my second Bombay Cedar box and I absolutely loved my first one. I was just looking at my mint plant that I received last month and it has grown so much and I love it. I'm so excited. I get so excited every day when I see my plants grow. I'm a dork, but I loved everything else that was inside it, so I can't wait to see what comes in this month. And also I realized that today is my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. I did not start posting consistently until June, but I did post my very first video on April 25th, 2018. So I've been on YouTube an entire year, which is crazy. So that's really exciting. And another exciting thing is that I just launched my 4,000 subscriber giveaway yesterday. So if you have not yet entered that giveaway, I will leave my giveaway link down below. And of course in the description box will be a link to this box, which is amazing, along with a coupon code that I have. I'll leave all the pricing information and everything down there as well. They offer 2 different size options. I do have the regular size. So if you do not know what Bombay and Cedar is, it is like a wellness, aromatherapy, vegan, cruelty-free box. So everything I love, so it is awesome. So it's like a lifestyle box with like a vegan, cruelty-free mix into it. So on the box it says, relax, heal, and cleanse. I think their box is so adorable. So let's get unboxing. When I open the box, this is what I see. So it looks like it is wrapped in some tissue paper. There is a card on top. And it looks like the theme for April is green. So that is awesome. So in here we'll give some information on all of the items, which I love. But let's read the first page that talks about this month's theme. It says, going green is easier than you may think. There are small things you can do every day to make a positive impact on the environment, like recycling, buying reusable products, and items made with sustainable materials, saving water, electricity, and more. If enough people take action, we can still prevent some of the most devastating effects of climate change. Save the environment that saves us. That's so true. Like every little step really does make a difference, and we really need to change as a group of people to protect this earth, because I don't know. I won't get into that spiel, but being green, I love that theme because it is so important. So let's rip this tissue paper. Oh my god, this is just seriously full of stuff. This is awesome. So I'm just gonna open what is on the very top. It says, Canvas, design your style. Don't know what this is, but oh, it's a bracelet. This is so pretty. Oh, and I can see in here it has a retail value of $20. So Canvas is the brand. Look how pretty this is. And there's a little clasp on the back. I have some jewelry on right now. Let me put this on my other hand. This is so pretty. So here it is on my wrist. I really like it. Let's learn more about it. So this is a Bangle bracelet by Canvas, like I said. It says a collection of gorgeous bracelets in several styles featuring sustainable materials such as cork, raffia, and wood. So I guess the styles range from $20 to $24, and mine was $20, and I think it is so pretty. It definitely does have like a handmade feel to it, and I love that. So first item, yes, let's go to the next one. This is by Be Kind Products. This is, it looks like, oh, a Cognac facial sponge, bamboo charcoal. Cool. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. So I guess this is a sponge and you just use it like a normal sponge. Oh, awesome. I'm excited to have this. I've had one like this before in the past. I think I received it in a julep box. Rest in peace, julep box. It is no longer a subscription. But I'm definitely excited to get this. I love sponges. I just finished up a sponge gel, so this is good timing. Let's read about it though. So this is $9.95. It says these Cognac facial sponges are infused with either green clay or bamboo charcoal. Oh, so it's for your face. That makes cleaning your face even easier. Awesome. For a second I was thinking body. I don't know. But it says cleanse your face in a single step without the need of soap. Okay, I'm a lazy person. I was gonna say mofo, but I'm glad I caught myself. So this is awesome. And the next thing, this is totally green. I need this. This is a straw. This is a reusable drinking straw made of 100% silicone by Save One Straw. There's one of them in there and I can see that it is pink. So let's see what is in here. Oh, awesome, and it comes with something to clean it too. So here is the straw that is reusable, and I think that this says this is dishwasher safe, which is awesome because, like I said, I'm lazy and I don't want to hand wash anything, but this is to help, like when it comes out, you can just put this through because sometimes like things get stuck, especially if you use these for smoothies. So this is awesome. I'm so happy. This box is seriously great. Where is this? This is $4.99. These straws are unlike common drinking straws. These silicone straws are reusable, safe for children and hot drinks. Silicone straws help us leave less of a footprint than disposable plastic straws, which is so true. Ooh, there's a snack in here, and I recently tried this brand and I liked it. It's Bada Bean Bada Boom. Enlightened sweet cinnamon crunchy broad beans, 100 calories. I got one of these snack packs in a different flavor in my Variety Fun snack subscription, which is so good. By the way, if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave the link below. But these were really awesome. I ate them right away. I had the barbecue one last time, so these are sweet cinnamon. So this can be like kind of a dessert thing. So 7 grams of protein, which is awesome, and 100 calories. I love getting snacks. So this is $1.39. It says bean chips by Bada Beans are packed with a punch with delicious flavors and incredible plant-based nutrition. It's available in cinnamon or cocoa dusted. So I guess you could have gotten one or the other. Man, there's still so much stuff in here. What is this big box? Look at this. This is by Myro. You got this. What do I got? It says Slate/Big Dipper on the back. Ooh, something fell. Oh, I think it was like a promo code. Oh, it's a deodorant? Cool. This deodorant reinvented. So it has like some directions over there, and then it says every day should feel this good. It has some cute people on there, and it says because doing good and feeling good should be an everyday thing, just like deodorants. Myro does amazing things without harsh chemicals. Our deodorant is powered by a sugar-based antimicrobial to fight odor and release its 100% natural scent over time when you need it the most, not all at once. That's so awesome. Extra bonus, our recyclable pods use about 50% less plastic than the regular stuff. We think you'll agree, it's better that way. Awesome. And then it just talks about how this is natural, and if you've never used like natural deodorant, that you might sweat a little bit more because it's not really antiperspirant, it's more of a deodorant. But your body adjusts, which is true. I really try and use natural deodorants. Oh my god, how awesome. So this is the one I got, and looks like there's like a little pin that came with it too, and the Big Dipper. So it's made with bergamot, lavender, and vetiver. So this is the container, if you didn't see it, and it tells you to turn the vial, and then the deodorant is separate so you can put it in. And then there's a cute pin. I love that pin. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I like it. So this is what the Big Dipper is. I was like, what are they talking about, Big Dippers? It smells good. So I followed the directions and it was super easy. I now have it in there and it smells really good. I feel like I've seen this brand before. I'm so excited to try it because I have been on a hunt for like a really good natural deodorant. I've had a couple good ones, but I am always ready to try some more. Smells so good. All right, next up we have Hemp Seed 3-in-1 Massage Candle. Cool. So this is what the packaging looks like. I've gotten massage candles in the past. I've never actually used them for massage like at all, just more for the scent. Oh, look, there's a little spoon in there so you can scoop it out. I've never seen that before. That's really convenient. I always wondered, like, you just pour it on someone, but this, you can just scoop it out. This smells so freaking good. What scent is this? This smells amazing. Let me see, I'm not good at describing scents. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the pricing of the deodorant, or read you anything about it. It says, Myro's deodorant is a plant-powered deodorant that's made with mood-inspiring scents and is truly effective. Smell awesome, feel awesome. And the deodorant is $10, which is a great price too. I thought that would be more expensive. This candle, this is a eucalyptus essential oil, and this is actually made by Bombay Cedar. It smells so good. I don't really smell eucalyptus, but it says eucalyptus globulus is beneficial to ease fevers, congestion. Oh wait, this is, I'm reading about essential oil, not a candle. I guess we're getting this on that. My bad, let's switch gears. This is This is by Hemp Body Care, not Bombay and Cedar. Wow, I just like read the first thing on this paper and was not thinking. It says these massage candles melt down into a massage oil with a unique blend of 6 natural oils, providing a professional slip that moisturizes skin, leaving it to appear more healthy and hydrated with a youthful glow. And this has a retail value of $15.99. It smells so good. Damn it, smell-o-vision, where are you? I love it. I'm gonna keep that open behind me so I can smell it throughout the duration of filming. Man, there's several things left. This is such a fun box to open. The next thing is by Paws. It says Fringe Decorative Tray. Oh, this is cute. It says Paws on it. Is that focusing? I don't know if you could see it. It's like, oh, there, maybe now you could see it. It's just a little tray. And it says this is $9, and this is, it says stoneware tray by Fringe Studio, exposed colored tray with a stoneware base and matte glaze with a metallic rose gold art. I like this. I'm telling you, like, just take a moment from your day, pause, relax, reflect. It's cute. It's so teeny. I feel like this would be good to put like earrings in or something like that. Okay, so now this is what I was reading from before. So Bombay and Cedar, they make their own essential oils, and it comes in this little bag here. And apparently one of them is eucalyptus. I don't know what I was thinking before. So I'll read that one first. Oh wow, the other one's interesting. So here are the 2 oils. The first one is the decongesting eucalyptus, and eucalyptus really is good for that. I've used that before, so I'm happy to have this. I'm so excited to be building up my essential oil collection. I didn't have much. I've been loving the Blossom scent that we got in last month's Bombay and Cedar. I used that, I don't think I did it today yet, but I use it almost every day. It smells so good. The other one is Carrot Seed, which I think is interesting. I've never heard much about this essential oil. So let's read about these. So the Carrot Seed one is $19. Wow. It says extracted from the carrot plant, Daucus carota. The wild carrot plant is mostly found in Europe. Carrot seed oil is often used to detoxify the body, stimulate skin cell proliferation, and prevent UV damage. Cool. And then the eucalyptus one says it's good at easing fevers, congestion, seasonal allergies, and much more. It's commonly added to steam rooms and saunas to help clear the lungs, and it has a retail value of $12. And each month they include these little cards, which is really useful. So it like talks about the benefits and stuff like that and what the oils blend well with, which I think is super helpful. So I won't read all of these, but it's, if you're curious what they blend with, just ask and I'll tell you. Alright, and we have one more thing, which I think this was a spoiler, and this is so cute. Look at this clutch. I love the print, and this like pop of red just really makes the bag for me. This is so pretty. So there's a zipper here, like you could see, and then also there's a snap closure. So you can open that, and then inside the bag there is a zipper. And then it's just black in there. This is so cute. I love this. I love the material. Let's read about it. So this is a cotton clutch by Casa Amorosa. It has a retail value of $39. Wow. And it says this cheek clutch is made with 100% cotton. An envelope style clutch with a tassel for added detail is a perfect accessory to complete your outfit. So cute. I love this box again. I really do like this. So I have the premium box, and depending on what items you got, the total value is between $141.32 to $145.32. And the mini box, which does not include the deodorant, the purse, or the little tray, it includes everything else. That has a retail value between $83.32 and $87.32. So that is awesome. And then it talks about like a featured brand in here. I just love this box. It's so good. I love how everything's like ethically sourced. Oh, and it gives you some ways to go green, which is super useful. I love this. And it even gives you a DIY soothing body gel. So yeah, this box is so awesome. So again, I will leave all the pricing information, the link, and my promo code down in the description box, so definitely check that out. I really loved this. This was so fun to open. So yeah, and definitely check out my giveaway video if you have not done that already. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for unboxing with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.